Hello, I'm Owen Shelton with Boatmate Trailers. I'd like to take this opportunity to point out features that set our trailers apart from those offered by other boat trailer manufacturers. We begin with tubular steel that is milled to our specifications. This steel is treated in an iron phosphate two-stage process that promotes paint adhesion and inhibits rust formation. The steel is then coated with an epoxy primer and a urethane top coat. Boatmate utilizes torsion axles with disc brakes on all of our trailers. The axle hubs are packed with a hybrid lubricant that loses viscosity at operating temperatures, allowing for thorough lubrication of the bearings within the hubs. We also utilize inline brake actuators on all of our trailers. Boatmate offers painted pinstripes along with various paint color schemes that are available, such as our two-tone paint color scheme. We offer removable guideposts on all of our trailers for those people who have tight garage spaces. We offer painted steel fenders or polished stainless steel fenders. We do a variety of logo cutouts in the front steps with backlighting. Boatmate offers a wide range of alloy wheels to select from, along with radial trailer tires. We also offer 18-inch wheel package upgrades. Boatmate utilizes a rubber mat as our standard non-skid, and we also offer upgrades to various types of aluminum tread plate. We utilize LED lighting on all of our trailers as standard equipment. This includes a LED reverse lamp. We have a variety of LED packages that are available, including surface mount lights or grommet mount lights. We also offer lights with clear lenses that shine the appropriate color when lit. Boatmate uses pressure-treated lumber for the bunk boards and HDPE, high-density polyethylene fender skirts. Both the boards and the fender skirts are covered with a 20-ounce marine-grade carpet. We utilize polyurethane bow rollers, or optional boat buddies, for the bow stop. Boatmate utilizes Fulton components in the winch and the jack. We offer several winch options, from the standard uncovered winch. We also offer a covered winch. And we also offer a 2-speed winch for those of you who are unable to drive your boats onto the trailer. We utilize a Fulton's 1,500-pound jack with an 8-inch independent caster wheel. Boatmate offers ratchet tie-down transom straps. This is an example of our standard trailer for the Centurion product line. It includes the swing-away tongue, includes the polyurethane bow roller, includes decals labeling it as a Centurion product. It includes our 5-bar aluminum tread plate, alloy wheels with radial trailer tires. The Centurion trailer includes the Centurion helmet logo embossed into the teardrop of the tandem fenders. It also includes our LED light package with waterproof wire harness and LED reverse lamps at the rear of the trailer. The trailer comes equipped standard with UFP's inline actuator and disc brakes on both axles. What we have here is a Skier's Choice World Edition model trailer. It comes with some specific features to the World Edition models. It includes the polished stainless steel swing tongue in the front. It includes the super laser cut front step with backlighting. It includes the 18-inch wheel package with 255/45 ZR18 Nexen tires. It includes 11-inch wide stainless steel fenders. It includes our 5-bar aluminum tread plate package and ratchet tie-down straps on the rear of the trailer.
At this time, we'll begin the final inspection process. The associate will start on one side of the trailer, slowly working his way around to make sure that there are no runs in the paint, trash, bubbles, or other various paint defects. At the same time, the associate is looking at the pinstriping to make sure that there are no smudges or skips. The associate then checks for any bad welds, missing welds, and to ensure that the welds are aesthetically pleasing. The associate then checks the grommets in the holes underneath the step to ensure that they are there. This prevents the wiring harness from rubbing against bare metal. The associate then checks the axle bolts to make sure that they are tightened properly. And then he will check the poles to ensure that they are straight and tight. The associate then checks tail lights to make sure that the grommet holes are cut correctly and the lights fit tightly in the hole. The associate will check for brake leaks by running his finger over the brake connections to ensure there is no brake fluid present and that there is no missing paint around the connection. He will then make sure that the brake switch underneath the actuator is released and check the actuator fluid level. The associate will then make sure every component on the trailer is tightened properly, such as the jack, the winch, and the spare tire assembly. The associate then plugs in the lights to ensure that all lights are working properly. At that time, the associate will then drop the trailer on the ground and torque all lug nuts using the star pattern to 95 pounds. He will put on the bow stop roller and then check the production sheet to make sure that all options match the order. The production sheet includes fenders, which could be stainless steel or bolt-on painted fenders, and various sizes. It also includes options on the step as laser cut or non-laser cut, and backlight or no backlight. The guideposts can be narrow, medium, or wide. It also includes the color of the trailer, the color of the pinstripe if there is one, the carpet color, the size and type of tire and wheel, whether or not the trailer gets a spare tire. The step pads can be either tread plate or black mat, includes the proper winch for that trailer, the correct bow stop, and the correct jack. After all inspections pass, the trailer is signed off on by the final QC inspector and is finished product.